Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Allahumma shalli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Okay, nice to meet you again, brothers and sisters, the 12th graders of SMA Plus Mutohari Bandung. Wherever you are now, I hope you are always getting better and better. Stay healthy and happier. Okay, guys, without further ado, I would like to inform you today that you are going to have listening comprehension practice 2. Jadi hari ini ada listening comprehension practice 2 dan nilai ini akan dimasukkan untuk menambah nilai PAS nantinya. Jika ada kekurangan, nilainya akan ditambahkan dari listening comprehension practice 2 ini ya guys. Dan previous listening comprehension practice itu awardnya dimenangkan oleh Arfi Rizka atau Iska. Iska, congratulations, right? Yang pasti kalian kalau berhasil mengirimkan jawaban listening comprehension practice 2 ini duluan ke Mr. Topik via WhatsApp atau difotokan, ya, kalian tulis jawaban yang benarnya di kertas boleh, di buku boleh, langsung ketik di WhatsApp juga boleh. Yang pasti, the quickest and the most correct, yang paling cepat dan benar jawabannya semua, itu yang akan dapat award. Okay guys, so get ready. Ayo, this is a competition ya, fair competition, fair play aja, alright? So guys, kalian pasti ingatkan dengan tips, trik, atau strategi dalam listening TOEFL. Masih ingat? Di last episode atau di video yang lalu kalian bisa tonton. Atau bagi kalian yang minggu lalu tidak hadir, kalian boleh tonton dulu, right? Kemudian nanti kembali lagi ke sini, Mister akan panjangkan waktunya, right? Yang penting kalian harus ikut listening comprehension practice 2 ini, wajib sifatnya. Kenapa? Karena skornya, nilainya is really important, right? To help your score, to help your, English skill, okay? Dan sebelum memulai, without further ado, ini dia Mister akan coba review untuk tips for listening comprehension. Ini sih reviewnya pengalaman pribadi saja ya, tips and triknya. Selain strategi yang ada di video sebelumnya, Mr. Topik mau sampaikan kalau kalian mau sukses dalam listening comprehension, ya, at least nilainya itu nggak malu-maluin. Nah, yang perlu kalian perhatikan adalah kalian pejamkan mata, merem aja, lalu fokus. Kenapa harus close your eyes? Karena ketika mata kita terbuka, biasanya ada fokus yang terganggu. Konsentrasi kita terganggu kan, terdistract. Ada orang lewat, ya, ada gambar atau ada iklan. Karena di rumah misalkan bisa ngoprek HP atau apa, ya kan? Ngoprek alat tulis, main-mainin apa gitu kan. Nah, tapi kalau kalian fokus sambil mendengarkan recording, kalian close your eyes, pejamkan mata, pahami. Ini orang ngomongin apa sih? Cari keywordnya, cari kata kuncinya. Kemudian take some notes for important information. Kalian boleh membuat catatan, ya, catat informasi-informasi penting, ya, di cue card gitu atau di buku catatan. Lalu tentukan deh jawabannya. Oke, itu saja guys. Jadi pejamkan mata and take some notes. Satu lagi, keyword, jangan lupa. Trik atau tips strategi yang listening kemarin kalian praktekin lagi di sini. Oke, yang baru sama hanya tambahan saja. Close your eyes, pejamkan mata kalian, dan take some important information, especially find the keywords. Alright, itu saja guys. Bismillah ya, sok fokus konsentrasi. Yang pasti kalau kemampuan bahasa Inggris kalian mau meningkat, you need to expose yourself with something English more frequently. Kalian harus mengekspos diri kalian dengan hal-hal yang bersifat keinggris-inggrisan, berbahasa Inggris setiap hari, sesering mungkin kalau bisa, ya kan? Kenapa? Semakin kalian terekspos, maka kalian akan semakin dekat dengan sesuatu itu, right? Jadi semakin kalian sering mendengarkan podcast berbahasa Inggris, sering lihat-lihat konten-konten bahasa Inggris di internet, ya, di sosial media, itu lama-kelamaan ada yang nyantol di pikiran kalian. Minimal ada yang nempel deh 3-10 vocabulary atau expression, ya kan? Nah, sekarang era sudah maju banget, sudah facilitating banget kalau buat learning online. Gak ada alasan lagi, right? Gak bisa belajar atau apa. Yeah, everywhere is now knowledge, I think. Dimana-mana pengetahuan sekarang, ya kan guys? So, bismillah, I wish you luck, best of luck for you. Mister doakan semoga tes listening comprehension practice 2 ini berhasil lancar buat kalian. Oke? Cayo. Cayo ganbate, right? There will be 30 questions. Akan ada 30 pertanyaan. Ini masih part A, guys. Part B-nya nanti Mister jelaskan karena quite complicated dan conversation-nya lebih panjang, right? Yang penting taklukkan dulu part A step by step untuk kelas 12 ini. Oke, bismillah ya, kelas 12 MIPA maupun IPS, semangat, semangat. Kalian harus punya target pribadi di tahun ini dan resolusi di akhir tahun dan awal tahun nanti, alright? Minimal resolusinya adalah apa? Masuk PTN atau PTS favorit. Amin, amin ya Allah. Oke, make your dreams come true, right? And I hope English, bahasa Inggris bisa menjadi bridge, jembatan for your future, bagi masa depan kalian. Thank you so much. I'm Taufik Fauzi Rahman. I wish you luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, minum dulu guys.
This is a recording for the diagnostic pretest. If you are having difficulty hearing the recording, make any necessary adjustments in the volume on your cassette player now. Read the directions in your textbook as you listen to the directions on this recording.
Diagnostic Pretest. Section 1. Listening Comprehension. In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations and talks in English. There are 3 parts to this section. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers you hear. Do not take notes or write in your test book at any time. Do not turn the pages until you are told to do so. Part A. Directions. In Part A, you will hear short conversations between 2 people. After each conversation, you will hear a question about the conversation. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Listen to an example. On the recording, you hear,
"That exam was just awful."
Oh, it could have been worse.
What does the woman mean? In your test book, you read, A. The exam was really awful. B. It was the worst exam she had ever seen. C. It couldn't have been more difficult. D. It wasn't that hard. You learn from the conversation that the man thought the exam was very difficult, and that the woman disagreed with the man. The best answer to the question, "What does the woman mean?" is D. It wasn't that hard. Therefore, the correct choice is D. Go on to the next page. Now, we will begin Part A with the first conversation. Number one.
Are you enjoying your coffee?
It tastes extremely bitter this morning.
What does the man mean? Number 2.
Can you tell me how often the philosophy class meets?
It meets twice a week for an hour and a half each time.
What does the man mean? Number 3.
I'm tired of just sitting here.
Relax. I'm sure that the flight will depart within a few minutes.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
The science project is due next week.
I suppose I'll have to start working on it now.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
I'd like to order a dozen roses. Do you deliver?
Yes, we can deliver anywhere in the city by this afternoon.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 6.
Did you enjoy the biology lecture?
The professor droned on and on about cell division.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
What do I need to cash a check?
I have to see a driver's license and a credit card.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
Have you been able to find an apartment yet?
It's difficult to find affordable housing in New York.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
Why were you so late in getting home from work?
My boss had me finish all the month-end reports.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Miss Jones did not look too happy as she left her classroom.
She was angered by her rowdy students.
What does the woman mean? Number 11.
The prices at this store are really outrageous.
You can say that again.
What does the man mean? Number 12.
I don't like this weather very much.
We haven't seen rain like this for many years.
What does the man mean? Number 13.
Professor Martin, what do you think of the composition that I turned in last week?
Without question, you need to improve the quality of your writing.
What does Professor Martin say about the student? Go on to the next page. Number 14.
Where should I go next?
You must stand in this line so that the agent can check your passport.
What does the man mean? Number 15.
Did Paul get his work done?
He couldn't finish the assignment because the library was closed.
What does the woman say about Paul? Number 16.
The lawyer spent hours and hours working on that case.
It's true that he prepared hard for the case, but his work was for nothing.
What does the man mean? Number 17.
Do you know when the papers for Professor Jenkins' history class are due?
They're due next week, aren't they?
What does the man mean? Number 18.
Are you happy with the work that the contractor did on your house?
I'm rather dissatisfied with it.
What does the man mean? Number 19.
I can't find a typist to finish my term paper by tomorrow morning.
Why not do it yourself?
What does the woman suggest? Number 20.
I can't get this television set connected to the cable.
Oh, it's as easy as pie.
What does the woman mean? Number 21.
Is Bob doing a good job in the office?
He never manages to turn in his budget reports on time.
What does the woman say about Bob? Number 22.
Has the auto mechanic told you how much work the car needs?
He indicated that the repairs would be quite extensive.
What does the woman mean? Number 23.
Did Betty listen to what her boss said?
She followed the directions to the letter.
What does the man mean? Number 24.
How's Walter doing in his new business?
Well, he hasn't exactly been unsuccessful.
What does the man mean? Number 25.
Are you going to organize that closet this morning?
I wish I didn't have to.
What does the man mean? Number 26.
Did Sally finish that difficult assignment?
She gave up before she really got started.
What does the woman say about Sally? Go on to the next page. Number 27.
What did Peggy say about the job I did?
She couldn't have said nicer things.
What does the man say about Peggy? Number 28.
Your new secretary seems to be doing a great job.
Rarely did new employees take such initiative.
What does the woman mean? Number 29.
Did you enjoy taking care of the children all afternoon?
If you had gotten here any later, I'd have been a wreck.
What does the man mean? Number 30.
I just got back from the market.
So you did do the shopping.
What had the woman assumed about the man? This is the end of Part A. Go on to the next page.